Hi, Beanie. What you looking at? Yeah? Are you looking at your feet? Are you looking at your feet? They're pretty cool. Oh, you're maybe going to tip over. Don't tip over. Beanie. Beanie. What you got your eye on? Beanie. Where's Mommy? Bean. There we go. Bean. Hi. Hi. What? You looking at a stain on the couch? I wonder how it got there. Head too heavy, Jerry? Bean. Oh, bless you. Hi. Oh. Bean. Oh. Do you have anything else to tell me? Have anything more to say? No? Is that what you're saying? You got your eye on those feet. They're pretty special. I love my feet, Mommy. Look at them go.